Today's video is going to be a little different because I'm not just sharing tips or how-to advice. I'm being real about something that every small creator has faced at some point: tech failures and burnout. Last night, I stayed up filming 3 videos, determined to catch up on my 30-day challenge. The idea was simple: get ahead, then finally get some rest. But, well, things didn't go as planned. The sound failed in every video, my phone froze up, and then my laptop crashed. After hours of work, I ended up with nothing. Instead of the video I planned, I'm here doing a voiceover to explain what happened and share a few lessons I learned along the way. If you're a small creator, or even if you're just trying to get through a rough patch, this video is for you. Here's what happened. I stayed up all night filming, thinking that if I could just get a few videos done in advance, I could finally take a break. As a small creator in Nigeria, nighttime is often the best time to film. It's quiet, the electricity supply is usually more stable, and I can focus without the usual distractions. But after filming these 3 videos, everything started going wrong. My phone froze, no sound. I thought maybe it was just a glitch, so I restarted it. Still, no sound. Then I switched to my laptop, thinking it would be more reliable. But guess what? The laptop crashed too. I tried to fix it, but after hours of trying, all I had were videos with no sound and a laptop that wouldn't work. At this point, I was exhausted. I'd been working for hours, trying to get ahead so I could rest, but instead, I ended up facing one failure after another. I was physically tired, mentally drained, and emotionally frustrated. It was one of those moments where you just want to give up. My body ached, my mind was scattered, and all I wanted was to sleep. But I didn't want to disappoint you guys. I know how important it is to stay consistent, and I've been pushing hard to stick to my 30-day challenge. I didn't want to be the person who just gave up. But in that moment, I had to realize sometimes it's okay to step back and take a break. And sometimes the best thing you can do is rest so you can come back stronger. I know a lot of you who are also small creators or aspiring YouTubers feel the pressure to stay consistent. I get it. We all feel it. Like we have to keep pushing no matter what, or else we'll fall behind. But here's the thing: the pressure to always be on can lead to burnout. It's okay to pause when things aren't working. It's okay to admit that you're not perfect and you can't always keep up with everything. Consistency is important, but so is self care. It's about finding a balance between pushing yourself and taking the time to recharge. If you're feeling stuck or burnt out, that's a sign to step back and rest. It's not failure, it's part of the journey. Let's talk about tech struggles for a second. As small creators, we don't always have the best equipment or the most stable internet connection. We rely on our phones, laptops, and editing software to get things done, and sometimes they fail us. I've seen other creators share how their editing software crashed, or they lost footage after hours of work, and I know I'm not the only one. But the truth is, these tech issues are part of the process. It's frustrating, but it happens to everyone. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, tech failures are bound to happen at some point. The key is not letting it stop you. It's about how you handle the setbacks. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to keep going. If you're a small creator, I want you to know these struggles are normal. Whether it's tech failures, burnout, or feeling like you're not making progress, you're not alone. Every creator faces these moments. The difference is how we respond. I've learned that it's okay to rest. It's okay to feel frustrated and take a break when things aren't going your way. But don't let these setbacks define you. If you keep going, even after the tech fails or when you feel burnt out, that's when you start to build resilience. It's not about avoiding failure, it's about how you get back up after you fall. I want to hear from you. Have you ever had a major tech failure or dealt with burnout as a small YouTuber? How did you handle it? I know it's not easy, but sharing our experiences can help us all learn and grow together. Drop a comment below and let's talk about how we get through the tough moments. You might just help someone else feel less alone. I'm going to take a little break to recharge, but I'll be back stronger and more focused. Thank you for being here with me through this journey. It means the world to me. I'll see you in the next video, hopefully with no more tech disasters. Stay encouraged and remember, you've got this.